Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and their actions. And this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Leo, your person current feelings. First card, Devil, Two of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. There is separation or no contact situation between you and your person right now. Yeah, cold shouldering. I think one person is not treating the other person well. There is some, maybe one person treating the other person as their option. Okay. So let's see your reading. Your person current feelings. The Devil, the first card. They're thinking about you. They're obsessively thinking about you. And they are addicted to you. Leo. See the bond. Maybe your person is very dominative. Maybe addicted to some bad habits. For some it could be third party situation also. And this obsession creates resistance in this connection. They're thinking about obsessively, they are obsessed with you. And Two of Swords, they are at some crossroads. They don't know which decision they have to make. Maybe they are thinking between head over their heart, definitely, because they are blindfolded and they are unable to make any decision right now. They are at some crossroads. Leo. But Eight of Pentacles, yeah, they decided to work on this relationship. One group, I think it is about relationship, their current feelings, so that's why they really want to work on this relationship. But very in rare few cases right now, your person busy at their work, maybe they are concentrating on career. Here two cases. One case is your person really want to work on this relationship, and a very rare case, maybe they are concentrating on their career. Maybe they are deciding between you and you, that's why you and their career, that's why they are at some crossroads. Okay, but about this is clearly about relationship. That's why they're thinking about to work on this relationship. They're thinking about to choose you. Okay, because Two of Swords, definitely they have to make decision. It's a decision time for them. That's why they're thinking about to work on this relationship. Maybe in past there is no commitment. Maybe they are in and out of your life. That creates so much insecurity in you, but now they really want to work on this relationship, but it is very slow, but still they want to make it. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see their near future actions towards you. Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to offer long-term commitment. So let's see their actions. Again, Ace of Pentacles. Princess of Swords. Judgment. Wow. And Magician. They're manifesting you back in their life. Yeah, if you are in no contact or in a separation right now, they're manifesting you. They want to manifest you, Leo. Let's see the reading. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, with Eight of Pentacles, their intentions, definitely they really want to work on this relationship and they want to take this relationship to next level, because Ace of Pentacles is new beginning. If you are in separation, they want to restart with you again, and they want to offer long term. It is not a short term or temporary relationship. They really want to take this relationship to next level. They want to marry you. Okay, if you are in relationship, they want to marry you. And again, Princess of Swords. Maybe if you are in no contact situation, they are spying on you, they keep tabs on you. Before coming towards you, they want to test the waters. Okay, Princess of Swords, they're spying on you. You will receive, maybe they will send some message, communication, because Princess of Swords is here. And Judgment, they are going to be make their mind because I already told you, in thinking wise they are at some crossroads, they are unable to make decision, but in action wise finally they made their decision. They will make their mind before coming towards you. They will choose you, they are going to be choose you, but it will take some time. Right now you person at some crossroads, but eventually they will get clarity, and they will going to be choose you, because judgment is here, some major decision. Your person right now at some crossroads, really they have to make decision. It's a decision time for them. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Capricorn. Yeah, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Ace of Wands. Wow, King of Cups and Eight of Cups. Maybe in past they walked away from you. Now they want new beginnings with you. And Ace of Wands, and they're very passionate about you. They're very attracted to you, and they really want new beginnings with you. Leo and King of Cups. They want to offer their cup of love to you. Yeah. Yeah, see the Fool. I think there is another chance for you both, a new beginning for you both in this relationship. Yeah, see how beautiful the four cards and related to each other, because the Fool with Three of Pentacles, I think in past there is no collaboration and partnership with each other, and now you both want each other and you both want new beginnings with each other. And Three of Pentacles means partnership. For some, maybe you both are working in same area, office. And King of Cups and Ace of Wands and the Fool with Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they're very passionate about you. I think reconciliation, I'm seeing there will be reconciliation in near future. Brand new beginnings. See, mutual. Two of Cups. And there is mutual love between both of you. You both love each other, Two of Cups. And this could be soulmate connection. Yeah, right now you both are in separation, but in near future there will like reconciliation between both of you, and new beginnings and a collaboration and everything. I think lot of you will reconcile in near future, because there is mutual love between both of you guys. I'm saying because your person is very attracted to you, and there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. Maybe in past they may be in and out of your life, but now they're going to make their decision. They're going to be make their mind. Okay, that's why here there is no negative card in the mutual energies, because Ace of Wands, King of Cups, the Fool with Three of Pentacles. They really work on this relationship, and you also want this relationship. Okay, from both sides I'm seeing it is mutual. It is not only your person want new beginnings with you, but you are not like that. This is mutual. You both want this. You both want new beginnings with each other. What I am seeing here. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Especially a lot of water energy and earth energy is here. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Leo. You and your loved ones are safe. So maybe you are in long distance relationship, you live in one city, your person live in one city. Maybe due to it could be any reason you are thinking about safety of your loved ones, but this is the message from universe. Maybe in right now also in some countries there are COVID-19 situations still going. That's why the message from universe, you or your loved ones are safe. So you don't worry about them, they're safe. And I want one more. Leo. Okay. Don't let your past hold you back. So if you are thinking about your past, maybe you are thinking a lot about your past, uh, that's why you are holding back in a lot of areas of your life, like work or another relationship, whatever. This is the message: don't let your past hold you back. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.